The loading dock is the gateway to your operation, where the efficient flow of goods impacts the productivity, safety, and profitability of your business. The new Blue Genius Connect is a revolutionary control panel designed to simplify and streamline your dock operations. The Blue Genius Connect gives you control over every aspect of dock management from one central location. The intuitive interface features the largest LCD screen on the market and a unique color-coded progress bar. It guides operations through each step of the operational cycle. As a trailer backs up to the loading dock and is in position, a single touch engages the restraint system, automatically securing the trailer in position. Every step is simplified, from securing to sealing the trailer to signaling the driver that the trailer is securely locked in place. With just a single touch from the panel, you can initiate the opening process, activating the dock light in a seamless sequence. This guided sequence of operations increases user confidence and reduces the chance of operator error during the loading dock operational cycle. The dock attendant has complete control over dock leveler deployment. With everything in place, the panel indicates that it's time to load. Color-coded icons and LED lights provide clear visual signals, ensuring everyone knows when it's safe to proceed, even from a distance or in low-light conditions. Discover how the Blue Genius Connect will enhance your dock operations. Contact us today to learn more.